How to report a stolen thrifty rental vehicle. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You must report the vehicle stolen to the police department nearest to where the theft occurred, or rental charge will continue until the VIN plate are listed on NCIC by the police department, or you must call Thrifty in the number 1-800-847-4389, which is emergency roadside, to report the vehicle missing or stolen. You will receive a reference number for customer care, then you can call them. Also, the customer must complete the vehicle theft form and email it to the OKC theft and recovery@hertz.com, or mail to Hertz Corporation and the box is given, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to report a stolen thrifty rental vehicle. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.